Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of viralstocks.io talks NASDAQ stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of viralstocks.io and today we're going to be discussing BCDA, SBEV, PHUN, CFVI, ALJJ, PROG, AMC, VLDR, and BBIG. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Viralstocks.io and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at viralstocks.io/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also go over to viralstocks.io/sign up. This is where you can sign up to get our free alerts. For years, we have provided a free service to tens of thousands of traders featuring only NASDAQ and NYSE listed companies. After you sign up with your email, you could then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, as we do all our alerts at the opening bell. This allows everyone to be able to get in at the same time. If we sent it before, many traders that are on Webull can trade pre-market, whereas Robinhood traders have to wait till the open. This is why we try to keep it as fair as possible to everyone. This way we release all our alerts at the opening bell. You can also hit the red download ebook to get the free viralstocks.io talks penny stocks book. Our email service, our ebook, and our text messaging service are all a free service from viralstocks.io. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. First up is BCDA. They had released big news on February 3rd when the stock was just $2 with the FDA. They had received breakthrough. The FDA had given them full approval for their device designation for CardiAmp cell therapy system for heart failure. This was huge news, a major breakthrough, and the best part is that if you would have got in on the news, you're up about 30% right now. Now, guys, we're not getting the 100, 200, 300% runners like we were last year. Right now, it's a lot of singles, a few doubles. We will take what we can get in this market. You learn to adapt into market conditions. As we say, buy dips, sell rips, and always be booking profits. It's all about, at the end of the day, it's all about your P&L. Do not fall in love with any particular stock. Next up is SBEV. The shorts here are trapped. We closed above a major trend line resistance. We think we can get through here and challenge the $6 level. 7% of the float is short, which is almost 2 million shares. Insiders own 31% of the company. They've been signing distribution agreements left and right. This one came out today. Splash Beverage Group signs tap-out distribution agreement with Highmark, InBev, AB1, Budweiser distributors. So they're getting this tap-out drink out into everywhere they can. If you look at the announcements, it's just been left and right distribution agreement. So we really like what's going on with SBEV. We've talked about this one on the channel since $2. It's $5.10 now. Congrats to all that have played this. And guys, as you see, I am using TradingView. I prefer TradingView for big picture, get my real-time quotes. draw my own trend lines. But for those of you that don't know how to draw trend lines and don't want to pay the subscription to TradingView, I highly recommend finviz.com. They draw the trend lines for you. It gives you a lot of details as far as the shares outstanding, share float, percentage of that float short. It's just very, very good information. And, you know, learn to, as I get into more tickers here, learn to follow basics. On my TradingView, I get the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving averages, which are very important. And then trend line support and resistance. When a stock holds trend line support, this is where you want to buy off of. And then when you run into trend line resistance, this is where you want to sell or be taking some money off the table. If it gets through the trend line resistance or trend line support, this is when you if it's trend line support, you want to be out, take your stop loss. If it gets through trend line resistance, this is where the shorts are going to be scrambling to cover, which we'll be talking about in some more tickers here. PHUN is the next one, up 16%. This is a Trump-related ticker. It's all what's happening right now is the news that Rumble, which is merging with CFVI, they offered Joe Rogan $100 million over 4 years if he would come and join their platform. I don't see that happening unless the Spotify comes under even more pressure. If there's a big boycott, we shall see what's going to happen there. But if you look at what's happening here on, again, this broke through trend line resistance. So, this is why we're trading higher, and you can see these two trend lines that were drawn, and we broke through above here at 1350, and then it was that move to 18. Again, always be booking profits where you can. Don't get greedy. Be very, very, careful that you don't want to become a bag holder. If Joe Rogan comes out and says, I'm not leaving Spotify no matter what, the shares will pull back. So, and also what's happening is everyone was expecting Trump's Truth Social to go live on President's Day, which is the 21st of this year. Markets will be closed, but now we're being told it will be March. So again, it's headline driven related to the Trump related deals. So you have to follow the headlines. If not, make sure you are a subscriber at viralstocks.io/sign up, or you can just go to viralstocks.io and sign up there. We also have a few blog articles, and you can sign up there for our information. Next up is ALJJ. Talked about this one over the weekend, up 14%, been moving this week. They are selling their second major division to Lakeside Book Company, so they're getting rid of their Phoenix Color division, and then they can focus just on their call center division, which I think is a smart move, and this is why ALJJ is running. Next up, guys, is PROG. The $1 level held. Again, you look here at the trend line. That was a key support right there to buy off of. We're now at $1.78. This one has a history of big moves. So this is one that you definitely want to be watching and looking for buy the dip and then sell the rip. Don't become a bag holder. You see how this moves. Buy low, sell high, move on. And this one we think is getting set up to make another spike. This is where you want to be selling into it. Next up is AMC, guys. I'm not going to get into who's right, who's wrong. Everyone's still talking about MOAS, the mother of all short squeezes. Guys, don't fall into the hype off of the Wall Street bets. Bullshit. I know a lot of you guys are going to get mad and say, oh, it's going to the moon. It's going to $500. guys, it's just the movie theater. It's not going to cure cancer. But if you've been following AMC, again, look at, go to finviz.com, look at trendline support, trendline resistance. It told you what to do. I mean, this was trendline resistance. This is where you had to be selling. It could not get above that trendline resistance. And then trendline support, we had major support at 30. When we broke through that, that's why it headed to 20. We're now here at trendline support. If we hold and get back above 20, we can make another move. I'm rooting for you guys. I want this to go higher, but again, learn to follow simple charting. It's all here drawn for you. If you don't know how to draw trend lines or where to draw them, finviz.com does it for you. Learn to trade for yourself. Yes, we are an alert service. We screen every day, looking for what the news is. Looking at floats, looking at potential short squeeze candidates. But if you follow our channel, we're also trying to teach you to trade for yourself. We're not going to guide you. We're not financial advisors. We're not going to hold your hand through this. We're trying to provide you with the tools that you can make your own investment decisions. We issue a full report, at the opening bell. Read the report. It's our starting point to do your own due diligence. So again, we're just trying to help you guys as much as possible to make the big money and to be successful traders, because that is what it's all about, becoming a successful trader on your own. Learn to use resources, again, like FinViz, viralstocks.io. Again, we're a starting point for you to make your own investment decisions. Next up is VLDR. Big news. Amazon has a warrant to buy 16% of the company at $4.18 a share. 23% of the float is short, which is 24 million shares. This is a $100 million bet by the shorts that the prices are going to go lower. We think this one can really squeeze. We ran right into the trend line resistance right there. What was today's high? 487, ran right into it like clockwork and pulled back to the $4. We're actually trading lower in the after hours at 395. Again, it's just a warrant. Amazon is not obligated to exercise, but again, if VLDR performs, delivers, they will exercise. So again, we think this one can squeeze the shorts, but it needs to get above $6, and then we can really see some pain on inflicted upon the shorts. Last up, guys, is BBIG. This is one history of price spikes. Again, this is why you got to be trading. Buy dips, sell rips. 27% of the float is short. This is another $100 million bet by the shorts that it is going lower. What's interesting about this one is that's the short bet is for 34 million shares. It just traded 16 million shares yesterday. So 2 days volume is what the shorts are betting that it's going lower. This one gets running, we're going to see some serious pain inflicted upon the shorts, and they start covering, and this one is spiking again. So again, waiting on some news, waiting on that catalyst. If that catalyst comes, we will be sending out an alert for you guys, okay? With that being said, I want to thank everyone for watching, listening, and make sure you're a subscriber at viralstocks.io. It is free. Just go to viralstocks.io and sign up, or viralstocks.io/sign up. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. Wish everyone a profitable trading day, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.